We're out here today, got a dead jet ski, 2014 Yamaha WaveRunner. We'll show you how to replace the battery. First step, gonna remove the seat, handle on the back, pull up, and slide the seat back. And then just set it over to the side. Once you're looking inside here, battery is right here in the back. If you have a WaveRunner or a jet ski of any kind, for very many years, you'll replace this at some point. This Duracell is probably 5 years old or so we're gonna replace that. Just these two straps hold the battery in place. And so to remove it, you're gonna take these, just move the boots back that are actually covering the terminals there. Once you move the boots off there, you're gonna remove the negative first, then remove the positive. Reverse order to come back in. These straps just pull up and they just kind of pull off. You just lay them right there. And then your battery's loose. Just unhook those terminals real quick and get this out of here. All right, gonna remove the screws here. A lot of times you can do this with a screwdriver. I'm using a number 2 Phillips. If they're too tight, you can always get a socket because they have the hex head and then they also have the screwdriver head. Just be careful you don't drop these down in the bottom. Usually I just get them loose and I'm going to pull it out with my fingers because I don't want to chase it in the bottom. Positive is second. You go back in. You're gonna hook the positive up first, negative up second. Once again, trying not to drop it. Most of these batteries you do get new bolts though, so even if you do, there you go. That's the look of it with no battery in place. All right, picked up a new battery. Just like the old one, it just has a new part number on it. Duracell, I think this is the third one I put in this ski. And they end up lasting about 3 to 4 years, is what I'm getting out of them right now. So you'll get all new hardware and stuff. Same as the old hardware. You can reuse it or swap it out, doesn't really matter. They got the positive terminal covered, leave that covered while you're putting it in. And then when we hook it back up, you're gonna hook up positive first, negative second. So when you put it in, the positive is gonna go towards the back of the ski. Turn this around. On this one, your sticker would face the middle. And you gotta kind of turn it. And then just lower it into the spot. On this one, you're gonna use the bolts once again. Just make sure they have the little lock washer underneath them so they don't loosen up. I'm gonna do the positive first, negative second. It's the reverse of what we did coming in. These are a little hard sometimes. I usually put it through the wire first and then start it right there on the top. I'm gonna grab the screwdriver, tighten that one down real snug. And you're just gonna put these straps back on, just pull, hook it over, grab the other one, pull, hook it over. Battery is now secure. Best as you can, wiggle the terminal covers all the way over those terminals. And that's it. All right, then we just pull the seat back on. Slide that in place, make sure it clicks down, and you're ready to go. Key on. All good.